In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the UAE Pass app on Android. This process is straightforward and will help you access a variety of digital services in the UAE. Let's get started. First, you will want to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app store for Android users and is where you can find and download various applications. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually resembles a colorful triangle. Tapping on this icon will launch the store, giving you access to millions of apps and games. Once the store is open, you will see a welcoming interface, often showcasing popular apps. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for finding the UAE Pass app. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the Google Play Store. This is where you will enter the name of the app you want to download. Type in UAE Pass carefully. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below the search bar. These suggestions can help you find the app quickly. It is important to enter the name accurately to ensure you locate the official app. After entering the name, press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. This action will display a list of apps related to your search. Getting the name right is essential because it directs you to the correct application, avoiding any confusion with similar apps. Once you see the search results, look for the official UAE Pass app published by the Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority, often abbreviated as TDRA. In the list, the official app is usually at the top. It is important to verify the publisher to ensure you are downloading the legitimate app. This helps protect your device from malware and ensures you have access to the features you need. If you find it, tap on the app icon to view more details about it, including the app's description, ratings, and reviews. Now it's time to install the app. Tap the Install button, which you will find on the app's page. This button is typically green and easy to spot. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. During this time, you might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is crucial because it allows the app to be added to your device, enabling you to use it for various services in the UAE. After the installation process is complete, you will see an open button appear. Tapping this will launch the UAE Pass app for the first time. You may also find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. This makes it easy to access whenever you need it. Now you can begin to explore the app and take advantage of its features. Downloading the app is the first step toward accessing a range of digital services and streamlining your interactions within the UAE. With these steps completed, you are now ready to use the UAE Pass app on your Android device. This process is straightforward, and following these steps ensures you have the app installed correctly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy using your new app.